Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Person. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive smart collections only for you. So let me display. This one, jute net material with beautiful printed one with mirror work, very trendy, fashionable, smart looks. This one, full base part and beautiful border, applique stitch border, and this one is full base part, beautiful printed one with mirror design. This one, border portions fully printed with applique stitch border and jute net material with beautiful mirror design printed with mirror work. Very trendy and smart fashionable looks. And this one is pallu in beautiful printed applique stitch border, very nice looks, fashionable, smart, trendy look. This one, full base part, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also, same material, jute net material with printed one, very trendy looks. This one, fully printed one, mustard yellow shade contrast border with beautiful printed. This one is beautiful printed one and jute net material with beautiful printed and pom-pom design, very smart looks. This one is pallu end and this one, full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful smart printed one and soft one, summer friendly jute net material. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, pure handloom soft silk material with beautiful fine weaving work. And this one, green shade and contrast color threaded weaving design work, buta work, full base part, handloom soft silk with beautiful fine weaving border and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, very smart and elegant looks. And this one is pallu portions, fully fine weaving design work pallu. And this one, full base part, very soft one, smart looks, smart, trendy, fresh looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece and fine weaving border design, very trendy and smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. It's a very beautiful one, pure handloom soft silk with heavy weaving work, full base part and golden zari border and full base is beautiful fine weaving design, black base and contrast color threaded weaving design, full base part, very soft one, summer friendly golden zari border. And this one is pallu end, beautiful stripes with work, heavy weaving work. And this one, full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart and elegant looks, best for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one, fully work, full shari work. This one is running blouse piece and this one, full base part and fully hand weaving design, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and trendy looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, pure handloom silk linen material with golden zari checks and very elegant color combinations, golden zari weaving border and full base part is checks design, very trendy and elegant looks, beautiful color combinations. This one is silk linen base, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen, fine weaving border and full base part is fine golden zari checks. And this one is pallu portions, highlight checks pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, very smart and elegant looks, pure handloom silk linen base and fully checks design. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart and elegant looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, pure handloom natural fabric, linen by linen, golden zari border, contrast pink piping and full base part is beautiful embroidery cutwork design. This one, full border portions fully embroidery cutwork design, mirror with embroidery and cutwork design. And this one is natural fabric lane by lane base, golden zari border, parrot green shade. And this one 4-meter work, and this one is running blouse piece, fully cutwork design work. This one is pallu portions fully highlighted cutwork, mirror embroidery, heavy design, fully designer piece, natural fabric lane by lane with cutwork design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu. Very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric fully weaving cut contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also very beautiful one. Khadi cotton base, contrast border and full border portions, and base part is beautiful embroidery design. This one full base part contrast color 1-inch border, and this one border portions is fine embroidery work. And this one full base part is very colorful fine embroidery butta design and soft one khadi cotton base with beautiful embroidery work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully fine contrast color threaded fine embroidery heavy work pallu. And this one is full piece but very soft one, summer friendly elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one premium quality pure handloom charka cotton base, contrast border and full base part is fine weaving butta design, and pallu portions also heavy jamdani work, very nice one, soft comfortable summer friendly premium quality charka cotton base, contrast border and full base part is fine weaving butta design, very smart weaving butta and this one is pallu portions fully fine hand weaving jamdani work pallu, and pallu in this fine contrast color stripes, very trendy smart and elegant obviously. This one full base part pure handloom charka cotton with fine weaving butta, very nice and trendy looks. This one is fine weaving butta design and very soft comfortable summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part contrast color border. And I will suggest this silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also very beautiful one, natural fabric lane by lane with Dhakai weaving work border and very elegant looks off white base, premium quality pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane. And this one is border portions fully contrast color threaded weaving Dhakai border, Dhakai weaving pattern design border. And this one full base part natural fabric lane by lane off white base with beautiful Dhakai border, very nice looks. This one is plain running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully weaving butta design pallu, and this one is highlighted Dhakai border, very nice and trendy looks and very soft comfortable summer friendly obviously. Natural fabric lane by lane with beautiful weaving butta pallu, and full base part is plain only a heavy weaving Dhakai border. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. A very beautiful one, art silk but very smart bright looks, art silk with heavy weaving work, very nice trendy looks. And this one full base part, very soft one, smart elegant bright looks. This one is fine weaving design, base part is art silk with fine weaving butta work, and this one is heavy worked border design, very smart and bright looks. And this one pallu portions highlighted heavy fine weaving design work pallu, base is black, and this one is fine weaving border design. And this one running blouse piece black, running blouse piece plain, and this one is pallu portions, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very beautiful one, soft silk, very soft comfortable one with navy blue base and weaving border design, fine weaving border. This one border portions fine weaving design work border, and full base part is very soft one, summer friendly, soft, comfortable, soft silk. And this one pallu portions contrast color with fine heavy weaving design work pallu. This one is pallu portions, fine weaving design work pallu, very soft one. And this one is navy blue base, full base part is navy blue silk with fine weaving border, very nice trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. And this one also very beautiful one, pure handloom tussar ari silk with fine weaving border design, very smart elegant looks. This one is full base, soft one, and this one is full base part, beautiful one. Full base part is plain, very smart trendy looks. And this one is border portions, fine weaving design work border, and full base part is very soft, comfortable. And this one is pallu portions, fully highlighted gicha stripes pallu. And this one full base part, very smart elegant looks and fine weaving border. And this one is full base, very elegant trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, very smart looks. Very beautiful elegant looks and natural fabric, lane by lane, golden zari border, contrast pink piping, and full base part is fine weaving buta design, very nice one, soft comfortable golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving buta design, very trendy and elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color. And this one pallu portions, fully highlighted pallu, fully golden zari weaving patch pallu with beautiful buta design, very elegant fresh trendy looks, natural fabric, lane by lane. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very beautiful one, same material, natural fabric, lane by lane with temple pattern weaving design work border, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, fully contrast color with temple pattern weaving design work border. And this one full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is full base, and this one running blouse piece. And this one is pallu portions, fully highlighted fine weaving design work pallu, and pallu end is highlighted stripes, very elegant trendy looks. And full base part is beautiful weaving polka design, very trendy and smart elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and exclusive smart looks. And this one also same material, natural fabric, lane by lane, contrast color border and temple pattern, similar pattern weaving design. This one full base part, only border temple weaving design, contrast color, and full base part is bright color combinations, yellow base, contrast color border with temple pattern weaving design, fully hand weaving work. And this one pallu portions, fully contrast color threaded weaving design work pallu, fully hand weaving work, and base part is natural fabric, lane by lane. And this one full base part, this one, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. So very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk lane golden zari border, and beautiful fine embroidery work, very smart elegant look. This one full base part, fine embroidery design. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari, fine stripes pattern pallu end. And this one is silk lane base, baby pink base with beautiful fine embroidery design, very trendy smart looks. And this one full base part, fine embroidery work. This one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece. And this one full base part is fine embroidery design, very nice trendy looks, elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material mirror embroidery work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive look, smart and exclusive. And this one also in a very beautiful bright looks, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material weaving multicolor weaving polka design golden silver zari border and full base part is multicolor fine weaving polka design. It is nice one. This one is in a golden zari border and silver zari fine stripes pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Very nice looks. And this one no full base part, beautiful weaving polka design, and this one is full base part cotton silk material. This one is border portions, this one is running blouse piece, and full base part is fine weaving polka design, multicolor weaving polka design. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and bright looks. And this one also beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with heavy weaving design, purple shade and very soft comfortable base for your function wear, party wear. Very nice one. This one is fully fine heavy weaving design work, full base, and this one no full base part. This one fully work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one no pallu portions fully heavy hand weaving design work pallu and very soft one, summer friendly based for your function wear, party wear, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive gorgeous looks. And this one also very beautiful one, maroon shade, same material same pattern, linen by cotton with fine weaving heavy work. This one full base part, beautiful fine weaving design based for your party wear. Linen by cotton base, golden zari fine weaving design work, full base part, and very soft one, heavy work but soft. And this one is sorry, this one is pallu portions fully highlighted heavy weaving design work pallu, maroon shade linen by cotton weaving. And this one full base part is same fine weaving design work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very trendy, fresh, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and elegant looks. So in a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom organic linen by cotton weaving with beautiful fine weaving buta design, very elegant trendy looks. This one is full base part, fully fine golden zari weaving buta work, full base, and this one is pallu portions fully golden zari fine weaving design work pallu, very elegant looks and fully hand weaving work. And this one full base part, very soft summer friendly, and full base part is premium quality pure handloom organic linen by cotton weaving. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your nice looks, trendy looks. And this one very beautiful one. Today I have draped a beautiful saree, premium quality pure handloom silk linen base, baby pink base with beautiful fine weaving design work border. And this one full pallu portions, fully fine heavy weaving design work pallu, and very soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom fine linen by linen with beautiful fine weaving design work. And this one is border portions, very nice one, beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.